How to play games on Snapchat. So first thing to do is to open the Snapchat application. And in this camera page, what we want to do is find a friend to chat and start a game with. Now in the updated version, Snapchat removed the rocket icon where the games are previously located. Even if you click the emoji icon, there will be no games available here. What we can do is install older versions of Snapchat. Open up your web browser and type in Snapchat old version 2022 and open up this website. From here, you can tap on any version and install the APK file. Now, iOS don't run APK files, but if you are using an Android, run this APK and this should be the page you will see on your chat with the rocket icon wherein you can play and find games. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.